Hello, Sanibonani, beautiful people. I am still in the US of A, and my sister and my brother-in-law are actually taking us out to a place called 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙧. It's a seafood boil place. When I saw their photos a couple of months ago, I was like, I want to go to that place. So it's going to be my first time with my son Jack. And I am a lover of seafood. I love seafood. I eat seafood, everything, seafood, anything. And I am so fortunate that I do not have any allergies. Touch wood. And yeah, so I am so excited. We ordered everything: crawfish, shrimp, clams, mussels, king crab, snow crab, like everything, lobster. We ordered everything that we could order: rice, sausage. It was so much food. It was just so much food. And you have to eat with your hands, so they give you gloves. You do have an option to eat with a fork and knife, but everybody, that's the beauty of the place. It's just the eating with your hands, and you put on your plastic bib so you don't mess yourself. If you are ever in a place where they do have one of these places, there are different chains. It's not just this one. This one's name is just 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠, but there are various ones across the USA. I haven't seen them in any other country, so I am not sure if they have them in other countries, but in the USA there are quite a few different chains of these. The food is just so yummy. The taste, it's it's just yummy. Yeah, so I think I actually overate, because once I start with my seafood, I cannot stop. I am just so glad that I got to experience this. I got to go to this place. I would have loved to let you be part of our conversation, but they were playing such loud music and it's copyright, and the place itself is loud. I don't like the atmosphere of the place, but the food is really nice. But the atmosphere is not for my liking. It was just too loud. But the place itself is not that nice, but the food, I would go again and again and again just for the food. And yeah, hope you guys get to experience this one day. If you have, let me know how your experience was. And if you do not eat seafood, I am sorry, you are missing out. But I know some people have allergies and they can't even touch seafood, and some people just do not like it, and some people, their sangomas told them not to eat seafood or be anywhere near a place that sells seafood or makes seafood. So yeah, but I enjoy mine. I really enjoy mine. Such good food.